In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly Transfer Canceled Automatically. Here we have the document about the Remitly error resolution and cancellation notice. So if you think that there's an error or problem with the money transfer, you're encouraged to contact Remitly as soon as possible. You can head over and then contact them using this phone number or the phone number that they have to their site. And you can also send an email to them using this at remitly.com. You can also write them on Remitly Inc. Corporation and input attention error resolution, then send it to this particular address. So for this, you need to contact them within 180 days of the date we promised that the actually funds will be available to the recipient. You can input right there your name and email address, error or problem, name of the person receiving the funds, telephone number as well as address, the amount of transfer, reference number, and the likes. So for that, if your transfer has been cancelled automatically, you can provide the actual option and then contact Remitly for help right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.